Pakistan's Federal Tax Ombudsman has ordered an investigation into what it described as an organized courier and customs scam after an imported iPhone was allegedly released to the wrong person using forged documents. The inquiry will examine the possible roles of FedEx, customs officials, clearing agents, and private individuals. It will also determine whether the same method has been used to fraudulently obtain other imported goods across Pakistan. The case began in December 2024 when Mohammad Noshirwan Khan's sister sent him an iPhone 16 Plus from Canada through FedEx. After the phone arrived in Karachi, Khan paid more than 138,000 rupees in PTA taxes, but the device was never delivered to him. He later discovered that it had allegedly been released to another person using a forged authority letter. Federal Tax Ombudsman Zafar Hijazi said, the case appeared to show a coordinated scheme that deprives the lawful recipient of a duty-paid phone for more than a year and a half. Customs officials maintained that the device had been released after a clearing agent presented the original detention receipt, invoice, and other required documents. But the Ombudsman questioned why Khan was denied the phone even after personally approaching customs, since his name appeared as a consignee on the import documents. The FTO found that Khan's name remained unchanged in the tracking and import records. However, his address and contact information were allegedly replaced with those of another individual on the airway bill and invoice. The Ombudsman said this apparent manipulation could indicate an organized scam and required a wider investigation. Khan later informed the FTO that his individual complaint had been resolved, but the Ombudsman decided not to close the broader case, arguing that the allegations raised a public interest issue that could affect other courier customers. The FTO has recommended that the Federal Board of Revenue direct the Chief Collector of Customs at airports to launch a targeted inquiry into FedEx and everyone involved in the clearance. Investigators have also been asked to obtain courier import data covering January 2025 to June 2026 and search for similar cases. The inquiry will examine the alleged use of forged authority letters and whether customs officials helped facilitate fraudulent clearances. The Ombudsman has recommended legal and disciplinary proceedings if wrongdoing is established. It has also called for a uniform procedure governing courier clearances at every international airport in Pakistan. The investigation must now determine whether this was a single fraudulent clearance or part of a wider system exploiting weaknesses in courier tracking, document verification, and customs control.